Pulling out the camera. Yep. Putting in the mic. Securing it. Oops. Hold it there. Clipping the cord in. Input 1. And now I want to install my battery. The battery. And it goes in that way. Hopefully. Yep, there's a click.
Okay. Do you want to show me how you take it off?
Yeah, just take it off like that. And now I want to check if I have a tape in there. So when I open where the tape sits, it should come up itself. And then put it in that way. Then I'll push it in. That's it. Now I need to put the radio mic on. Okay. Yep. So this is the one that sits on the camera. And it goes in that way, doesn't it? Yeah.
So wind it up a bit, yeah.
Yeah. Slide it in there. And then I need to tighten it.
Yeah.
Yep, just under there.
Yeah.
And just into input 2. There. That's just the shutter. Just open it on the side there. Let's open it. And with the other mic, like that's just for whoever I'm interviewing. Like, this is the microphone, like find a place on their body. And this just goes in their pocket or somewhere out of sight.
And turn it on.
And just turn it on there.
As well.
And you turn it on there. Yeah, and just remember to turn them both on and then off when we finish recording. And always remember to get this one as well. Yeah. Yeah, don't forget about that one. This is the headphones. Just put them on. Just on the side here. There. And it's the green one. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Just plug it in there. That's all done. I'm just turning it on. That's tape. That means it's ready. Like it'll be on standby, won't it? Like the screen's on the side. It's just there. It's on standby. That's memory. So that's just on memory. And that's play edit to tape. Yep.
And turn it on, record.
Oh yeah, there's record. And over here, it's just the assign button to do a sound check. That's the screen. Just there, like the sound levels. You've got channel 1 and channel 2. And they both have to be on. It's on now and I can hear everything.
And you've got 2 inputs. Yep.
Yeah, 2 inputs.
Channel 1 and channel 2.
Yep.
Okay.
So I'll just turn it off.
Yep.
And turn the assign button off. So this is just zoom, right?
Go here.
So that's using my zoom, that's coming in closer. Just showing the focus button. It's just there. That's auto. And that's where the camera does it. And should I zoom in?
Yeah, zoom.
Yeah. It's best to stick with auto, but with manual focus, that's where you adjust the focus yourself. Yep.
If you want to do artistic shots
Yeah.
and you're feeling confident.
Yep.